Hey guys, Brad here from Ocean Protect here in beautiful Purga, standing in one of two Filterra bioretention systems we've got at this site. This is about 190 square metres. It was installed in about February 2025 and was brought online a few months later. So it's been operational, receiving flows from the upstream catchment for nearly a year. One of the things I want to talk about is mulch. So you can see here across the surface of the Filterra bioretention system, we've got mulch on top of the filter media. Now that's a double shredded hardwood mulch. And underneath the mulch, we've got the filter media obviously as well, somewhere down there. As part of any installation, we put essentially a 3-inch layer of double shredded hardwood mulch on the top of the filter media. And that does two really good things. Number one, it helps to screen silts and fines that can otherwise block the filter media, but it's also like mulch on your garden bed. It helps to retain moisture within the filter media. But I know a lot of people say, oh no, mulch is no good, it'll float and get discharged downstream. Well, one of the things that we do with Filterra bioretention systems is for the bigger bioscapes, we have a gully pit basket on each of the overflow pits. So in this one, there's 3 overflow pits, and you can see, I'll take you right into the inside of it. You can see the gully pit basket there. But fundamentally, there's very little in the way of, I don't know, mulch at all. I think most of that vegetation is probably from the tree behind me. Not all mulches are suitable. In fact, we only use double shredded hardwood mulch on the surface of the filter media. Why? Because it has a low nutrient leachability, but also very low floatability. But again, if we had big flows coming through this system, it would cause the mulch to move and potentially float away. But again, one of the things that we do with Filterra is we keep our systems offline, which means only the low or design flows enter the system, and the high flows that can otherwise cause scour, erosion, and potentially pick up the mulch and discharge it downstream, they are bypassed away from the system. In this case, it discharges into adjacent detention basin. And I reckon the use of a suitable mulch is something that I would recommend for all bioretention systems, whether it's Filterra bioretention systems or traditional bioretention systems. If you want to know more about bioretention systems or Filterra, just give us a shout at Ocean Protect.